Hey guys, welcome to It's L&D. Today we went to Smith's Toys to check out what Pokemon cards we can get today. So today we end up buying a Zacian V and a Graninja V Union box. We also got a Pokeball. As we were there, I thought I would end up getting a binder for the big cards that we get. Also got 2 of these to add to my collection. And as we were there, because we spent so much, they gave us 2 free giant Pokemon cards. Let's start opening with the Pokeball. So inside the Pokeball we have Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows, Breaking Point, and a coin. We'll open this one first, Breaking Point. Code card. Look how cute he is. We've got a cat. Slowpoke. Gibble. This is a nice card, I like this one. Let's open Burning Shadows next. Burning Shadows. Code card. Energy. That's that Pokemon that looks like the sun again. Escape Rope. Oddish. Paragon. Caterpie. Again a Paragon. And a fish. Last packet of this Pokeball is Sun and Moon. Code card. Energy. Timer Ball. Boulder. Ultra Ball. Marianne. Diglett. Oh. Meowth. Ooh, I like this Meowth. Never seen that Meowth before. Growlithe. Berry. That's the Pokemon ball out the way. Let's now open the Graninja V box. If I can open it, that is. So, that's the code card. We also get a Professor Brent promo card. Pokeball out the way. And then we get the 4 Graninja cards that if I put it on the table, you will see that it makes one big card. Is that the right way? Yep. And then they also give us the big promo card, which is basically like the small ones, but in a bigger version. Let's actually put that in our new binder. Oh, they also gave me this in the new binder as well. So let's put them both in there before we start. We got a Pikachu. And now we also have a Graninja. Let's move these out the way so we don't lose them. That's our promo card. So in this box we get Evolving Skies, Chilling Reigns, ooh, Vivid Voltage, and Sword and Shield. Okay, let's start with, I haven't had a Vivid Voltage in a while, so let's start with Vivid Voltage. Come on, open. These packs do not like me. There we go. Code card. Energy. Memory capsule. Charmeleon. Wooper. Meow. Memory capsule again. And this is the last one in that pack. Let's go ahead and now open a Sword and Shield. Hopefully this pack is easier to open. Yep. Code card. Energy. Hunter. Pokemon Catcher. Yamper. Score Bunny. Cottony. Krabby. And we got a Morpeko. Morpeko. Let's see if we can put that in to a sleeve. I'm going to use one of my special sleeves, which has got an Eevee on it. And that is from Shining Fates. If it wants to go in, that is. Don't think he does. But let's leave that to the side, so we don't want to mix them up. Let's open Chilling Reigns next. They don't like me. Code card. Energy. Score Bunny. Aaron. That's that for that pack. Last pack of the box. Evolving Skies, one of the newest packs there is. Code card. Stormy Mountain. Oh, we've got another one. And there's the energy. And that's it for that box. So let's then now open the next box, the Zacian V Union box. Let's see if this one is easier to open. Maybe not. So this also has the 4 cards. If I can get it open, that is. The 4 cards that make that big giant card. I'll put that on the table so you can see it properly. There's the code card. We also get another Professor Bond. Then let's put these on the table without scratching them or bending them. And that goes there and there. And that's what it looks like with just the 4 cards. Plus the big one. Let's also put that big one into our binder. Let's get that binder. Let's put that right here next to our Graninja. There we are. So we got Graninja and Zacian. So in this pack we also get Evolving Skies, Chilling Rains, Vivid Voltage, and Sword and Shield. This time let's open it newest to oldest, so we'll go with Evolving Skies first. Code card. Energy. Dream Ball. Seeded. Lilliput. Leo. Don't think I have any of these in my binder for Evolving Skies. Next, Chilling Rains. Why does Chilling Rains not like me? Code card. Okay. Energy. Reboot. Scroll of the Skies. Weedly. The Trio is the last card in this one. Okay, let's move on to Vivid Voltage next. Vivid Voltage. Code card. Energy. And a giraffe. Lugia. We finally got a Lugia. I think this we should sleeve, don't you think? Let me get my trusty sleeves. This is one card we don't have at the moment. And we're sleeving that up and putting that there. Final pack is Sword and Shield. Hopefully Sword and Shield will give us something. I don't like me opening them. Code card. Energy. Lucky egg. Rare candy. This is one of my favourites. Look at his tail. It is so cute. It's a quick ball. And last card is and that is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.